How would you like the idea of completing a task now and getting paid in 24 or 48 hours from after submitting your task? This is what I'm going to show you guys today. A website is going to pay you 24 to 48 hours after you submit your task, and it's very easy to do if you are meeting the criteria on the task they are giving to you. So stick with me. I'm going to talk to you about this site in a second. Before we go ahead and start this video and jump to the video, I would like to ask you, as always, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button following all the way down to the video in order to be part of my channel. It would be a great honor to have you on my channel, guys. I learn a lot of you, so thank you as well. Thank you all my existing subscribers, and if you're new, go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you can see all my videos every single day, free ways on how you can make money from the comfort of your house. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start this video. The site I'm going to show you today is called onespace.com, and you're going to be able to find everything below this video. As always, you can get the links from there. What I would like to tell you guys, on onespace.com, you are like a freelancer, and you're going to be getting tasks like data entry, making small surveys and things like that. You can learn more on the tasks they have available by just clicking the getting started button, submitting your information to their site, and go from there. Just a little bit more details about this one, as you will be becoming a freelancer for them, because this is what you're gonna become a freelancer to complete various tasks they're gonna be assigning for you guys. So there are some qualifications you need to meet in order to do so. As you can see here, if you go to the support, the freelancers and support, you're gonna see the qualifications, and you can see, be sure to watch this video for a step-by-step overview of how the earn qualifications paid works. So you can get all this information, guys, by watching this video here. If you click on it, it will come to you on a different browser, and you can watch the video explaining further in detail the different jobs. As you can see here, there's a copy editor, copywriter, junior copywriter, and so on, and it will give you more depth explanation on each of the requirements and qualifications you need to have for the job. So you can watch the video really fast, and if it's something that is for you, that's meeting your criteria, you can start doing it. So what is a qualification? If you're wondering what's a qualification, it's access to work on workstations based qualifications. In order to access a specific assignment, you must have the requirement qualification. It makes sense. How do I earn qualifications? Earn qualifications by taking assessments that cause your skill set. Guys, this is very important. Like everything else you do, like surveys or anything like this, once you become a member and you submit your work, you will be getting more credits based on how good and valid your work is. Now, if somebody is paying you to make a survey or to make a review, and you just submit and say very good or very bad, and you submit it, that gives no good feedback to the company that is paying you to do. So you need to be honest, you need to put your heart on it. Like any other job, somebody's paying you, so they want to get as much good feedback out of it. It would be the same thing if you're paying somebody to do it for you. You would be wanted to get as much more accurate feedback. So make sure that when you're giving feedback and reviews, all the tasks is putting effort and time. So here you see the different scores you need to pass in order to be able to meet the criteria. There is English assessments, writing, and grammar, and so on, with the passing scores here. Now, as I told you, the nice thing about this is that you are able to get paid within usually they try to pay you guys within 24 to 48 hours max for their projects, and you're getting paid by PayPal. So you need to put your PayPal account in order to be able to pay you, and you need to verify your PayPal account as well, which is very easy to verify. Once you enter your information, they will make a small charge on your PayPal account with a small code in it. Once you receive the code, you come back to their site, you put that code, and it's verified, and then they're gonna give you the $1 they charged you before to this one. Now, based on the complexity of the projects, it might take maybe a little bit more, but they try to pay you usually within 24 and 48 hours. So you can see, if you scroll down here, if the status is pending, maybe if it's pending and the complexity of the project is high, maybe they will leave it on pending. They will ask you to change something, and by the time they review, it takes more than 48 hours, so it can go up to 3 to 7 days. But this is again based on the complexity of the project. Now guys, this is what I wanted to show you today. onespace.com. It's nice if you want to complete more freelancing tasks and getting paid fast. Yeah, it's not gonna make you rich overnight. It's gonna bring you some money in, but it's not gonna make you rich, guys. So if you want to make good passive income from the comfort of your house, everyday money coming, don't forget to check my #1 recommendation, guys. My #1 recommendation is free to join. It changed my life. I'm an entrepreneur for the last year using this method. I'm really happy that I started this. I fired my own boss and I'm working for myself at my own time. So why not go ahead, click the link below to check it out as well, and you can do this from your side as well. I hope you like the content of this video, guys. If you do, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe if you haven't already. I want you on my channel. It would be a great honor to have you, so we can help each other. We learn together. And this is it, guys. This is what I want to show you today. Make sure you stick with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Start making some money. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the day. Thank you so much. Bye.